girl Bams. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Go ahead, take a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. I will be trying the Birria tacos for the first time. There's a Mexican place around the corner. I asked for Birria tacos, and this is what they gave me. It looks like it comes with 4 tortillas, cilantro, lime, and onion. And then it comes with the Birria sauce. The tacos that I done seen on the videos already come, you know, pre-made as a taco. But I guess this taco cart do not do that. So I'm going to have to make my own tacos. I just want to taste this and see what it tastes like. I'm so excited. You guys, thank you for being here. Before I get started, you guys don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. First off, I see a big old piece of roast beef. Look, you guys. Whoa. You guys, it's so tender, it's falling apart already. Let's see how many pieces are in here. There's another huge piece in here. Wow. Very, very big. I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, very juicy, you guys. Very juicy. Very wet. It's already such a mess, but I'm going to set this burrito here. I'm going to take this piece of meat, and I'm going to put it back into the juices. And I'm going to break this meat up into pieces. We're going to throw some onions on there. Some tacos. And then and some cilantro. And then we're going to take some of this juice and pour that right on top. Just like that, y'all. I feel like a messy girl. I really want to experience this with you guys, so please excuse me. Bon appetit. That's delicious. Yummy. Let's squeeze some lime on there. So the place that I got it from is called Taco Machine. And while I was there, everybody who came up to the order window said hi to the lady on the inside as if they knew her. Also, while I was standing there, there was a gentleman who walked by. He didn't come to order no food. He just walked on by. Waved to the lady on the inside. Kept walking. Looked at me and said, "This is the greatest taco place in town." Actually, he said, the best food cart in town. And he kept walking. And he said, "No, for real, really." What he don't know is I live around the corner and I already know that. Cheers to Taco Machine. To the best success possible for you. This is the color of the burrito that I'm used to seeing. It tastes by itself. Yummy. It's sort of greasy, but it's still high flavor. Ooh, Oh, this is so tender. Oh my God, this is so tender. I can literally break this off with my spoon. Wow. I am so amazed, y'all. I am so amazed. I'm amazed by the tenderness of the meat that they put in this. This is a new item on their menu. Now I have to go and venture to try other people's birria taco slash. I mean, I don't even know what to call it. They call it birria plates. And it comes with the sauce inside the pan. I really thought they were going to fry it up to make the tortilla red. Because that's what I see. That's what I see inside all the videos. Probably take this home, dip some in the frying pan, fry your tortillas up, make them red. Yeah, I'm gonna have a small dinner because of this. That lime just pops it all off. Wow. I'm just biting right through the beef. And it's not even fighting back. So tender. Two more. Look at that. Broke it in half with a spoon. Wow. They were ready for this order. Wow, look at that. Look at that, folks. Look how tender that is. I'm going to save some of this for later. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Yes, mamacita. Dip that bad boy. I can feel it now. It's hitting the spot. Wow. It's just shredded on its own. Wow, look at that. Just so tender. Just falling apart. Last one, y'all. This was a fun experience. Honestly, like honest thing. This round right here, I really thought it was going to be more high flavor. This tastes like... there is high flavor there, but I thought it was going to be like a tad bit more salty. I do taste grease. I taste all the flavors of the roast. I wish there was like more flavors of like tahini and chili and it's a tangy flavor. I thought it was going to be more rich red, but this is like it's kind of watery, I guess. I thought it was going to be like red. This is orange, and then when you pour it, you only see a little bit of red. You see that? See, watch this. See, I thought it was gonna be red. This is orange. Mmm. Don't get me wrong, it's good. If I were to rate this, I would rate this an 8. You know, it didn't meet my expectations. I was expecting one thing. I got close to it, but it wasn't all the way up there. You know what I'm saying? Mm. I hope everybody's having a great day in some way or some form. I must try another place. There's another place that I love getting my street tacos from. I want to see if they... I want to see if they serve this in taco form already made. Let's see what their sauce look like. I'm so glad I have this though, because I'm about to pour this over some rice. You can make some more tacos with this. Amazing. A little messy, but I gotta do what I gotta do, boo. And these were expensive. I mean, I feel guilt. I feel like crazy saying the price. I'm just gonna say it's over $10. That meal right there was over $10. But I get to make several meals with this afterwards. So it's like lunch and dinner all in one. Anyways, y'all. Ooh, thank you guys for... Spilled the juice right on out onto the floor. You guys, thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for being here while I experience this with me. Ooh. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, folks. Bye.